Okay, here we come. You good, Bill?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, I see the bird. He'll get it. He'll get it. Broke a wing. I would have popped him twice. Yeah. No, run him down, Smokey. This is what them dogs live for. Run him down, Smokey. Oh, come on. You zoom in on him?
No, I'm trying not to. Oh, I got the hole.
That'll zoom in.
Yeah. Which way, right or left? Or?
That way you zoom
Right,
it.
it's like my hands.
Here he comes. Fetch that bird. Shit, I thought I had him with the first one.
You kidding?
Tough.
They are tough.
Hold.
Dog had a lot of fun.
Thank you, Smokey. Now hold it. Hold it. Hold. Hold. Thank you. Good dog. Good boy. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Smokey. Crank him good. Good dog. Much water. Much water.
Dog's like, yeah, water would be good. I'm about to have a heart attack.